Respectable teachers, my dear fellows, today I want to talk about important issue of Palestinian Muslims. Who are our brothers? What the Israel army is doing with Palestine is inhuman, brutal and barbaric. Honorable President, I don't know from where I start and where talking to end. What the Israelis are doing with Palestinians cannot be seen by the eyes, cannot be listened by the ear, cannot be thought by the mind, and cannot be expressed by the words. Honorable President, the Israelis were brought from different countries as refugees and Palestinians because about 1 million Jews were killed in Nazi army. They were near to an end. They were near to genocide. They were near to be finished from the earth. They were near rescued by Palestinians. They found shelter in Palestinians. The Palestinians welcomed them in their homeland. What they have done in response is totally wrong, inhuman and barbaric. Honorable President, today the whole Western countries stand shoulder to shoulder with Israel and be supportive. On the other side, 57 Muslim countries are silent and ignorant on this burning issue. Honorable President, we will never keep silent. We will never forget these brutal crimes against Palestinians. One day, we will kick them out from their heritage as they are thrown away on the path from Europe and as they are disappeared by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam from Medina